again with more discussion on Section 1. And instead of kind of just covering the space race when it came up, I decided it'd be better to just kind of cover the space race all at the same time in each section. And so that's what we do here. We're going to cover both Sputnik 1 and Explorer 1 in this video, or the Explorer series, I guess. But let's start with Sputnik 1. The Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1 on October 4th, 1957, and this is massive. It is the first artificial satellite in Earth's orbit. It has a 58 centimeter metal. It is a 58 centimeter metal sphere with 4 external radio antennas to receive and transmit data. I don't know how much data it was transmitting per se, but it spent 3 weeks in orbit before losing power, and then 3 months after launch. So basically, then it just slowly kind of went into the atmosphere and continued to orbit around the Earth. And then about 3 months after launch, it burns up upon re-entering Earth's atmosphere. The launch of Sputnik 1 is considered to be the starting event of the space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. And in fact, the launch of Sputnik was quite a surprise to the American public, calling into question the U.S.'s technological superiority following World War II, which was pretty dominant at that point. The Americans had a very good feeling that they were technologically dominant, mostly because of the use of nuclear weapons in Japan. And so due to Sputnik, we start the U.S. federal government directed increased funding towards science, math, and engineering education at all levels, so kind of these STEM subjects, as an effort to compete more directly with the Soviet Union in space exploration. And then the next year, right, so not too far along after this at all, we have the U.S.'s response to Sputnik with the Explorer series of satellites. So the U.S. launches Explorer 1 January 31st, 1958, again, the first U.S. satellite. The primary sensor on Explorer 1 was a cosmic ray detector, just to kind of measure the radiation in Earth's orbit. What cosmic rays are, they are high-energy radiation in the form of fast-moving particles from distant space, such as protons. And the key thing that Explorer 1 revealed is that there is a belt of charged particles around the Earth, that are trapped in Earth's magnetic field. And these belts of charged particles became known as Van Allen belts, in honor of Dr. James Van Allen, who was their discoverer and also a member of the Explorer 1 design team. So the U.S. continued to launch successor to Explorer throughout 1958. We see Explorers 2 and 5 don't make it to orbit due to launch complications. But we see Explorer 3 launch March 26th, 1958, and Explorer 4 launch July 26th, 1958. And both of these operate for about 4 months. And hey, look, that's the space race for this section. Pretty quick and easy. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. On the next video, we're going to start covering Section 2. See you guys then.